All right, here we're looking for a number. Let's let that number be x. So what did we do to x? Well, we decreased him by 40%, and then the result is 54. So we're going to use algebraic translation here. We decreased x by 40%. Now you can think about that as taking 100% of x and taking away 40% of x. So let's have this little thought bubble off to the side here. We took a full 100% of x and took away 40% of x. Well, look at those two terms that we're subtracting. They're like terms. They both have an x. We get 60% of x when we do the subtraction. 100 minus 40 or 1 minus 0.4, however you want to think about it. We get 60% of the original. And that should kind of click in your mind. Remember in the sale price shirt problem, we said that even though we took 15% off with the sale, that was really like 85% on. This is the exact same idea. We're taking away 40%. X is being discounted 40%. So we're really paying 60% of x. So to decrease a number by 40% really means you still have 60% of it remaining. All right, so that number was decreased by 40%, and the result is, again, anytime you see an is, that means equals. It is 54. That was the hardest part of the problem. Now is the fun part. We get to solve. So we want to divide by 0.60. Now the number sense in you should be saying, okay, I'm taking 54 and I'm dividing it by a number that's smaller than 1. It's 0.6. That means my final answer is going to be bigger than 54. And it is. We are going to get x is 90 here. Now that makes sense. I mean, if you're going to take some number and decrease it by almost half of itself and get 54, that means we have to start with a number bigger than 54. Already some of you should have known to eliminate E and D. Those numbers, when we decrease them, we're only going to get smaller. We can't get to 54. So the number sense in you should always be able to eliminate some wrong answer choices there. So you should have gotten answer choice B, 90.